Can you introduce your family in English?
Can you say more than just, "This is my mom"? You will know how to talk about your whole family in English, like a pro.
By the end of this episode, you can.
Especially the weird uncle.
Even the weird uncle.
Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to GFX English Learning Mentor.
I'm Alex, and I am very happy you are here today.
I'm Emily, and today's topic is so fun.
We are talking about family.
Everyone has a family, so this lesson is for everyone.
If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to this channel.
Hit that subscribe button right now. It is free.
And give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
Okay, let's start the lesson. Alex, let's start simple. How do you say the people in your family?
Good idea. Okay, so my mom is my mother.
Yes, mother. Or you can say mom. Mom is more casual.
My dad is my father, or just dad.
And together, mom and dad, they are your parents.
Parents. That's a great word. My parents are both teachers.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yes, and very stressful when I got bad grades.
I can imagine. Okay, what about brothers and sisters?
So a boy in your family is your brother.
And a girl is your sister.
I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is very tall.
How tall?
Very, very tall. I feel short next to him.
Oh no. Okay, what if you have no brothers or sisters?
Then you are an only child, no siblings.
Siblings, that is the word for brothers and sisters together.
My friend Leo is an only child. He says it was quiet growing up.
That sounds peaceful. Very different from my house. Tom and I were very loud.
I believe it. Okay, let's go bigger. What about grandparents?
So your mom's mom is your grandmother, and your mom's dad is your grandfather.
Together, they are your grandparents.
You can also say grandma and grandpa. Very common.
I called my grandmother Nana. Very sweet woman.
Aw,
She made the best cookies. Every time I visited, cookies.
that is the perfect grandmother.
She really was. I miss her a lot.
That's beautiful, Alex. Okay, now let's talk about aunts and uncles.
Yes, so your parents' sister is your aunt.
And your parents' brother is your uncle.
Their children are your cousins.
I love this word, cousins. I have 12 cousins.
12?
Yes, big family. Holidays are very loud at my house.
I can imagine that.
But it is so fun. We always play games together.
That sounds amazing. Family holidays are the best.
Okay, let's stop for a moment. Time for a quick recap.
Yes, let's review the words we learned so far.
Ready? Here we go.
Number 1, mother and father, your parents.
Number 2, brother and sister, your siblings.
Number 3, grandma and grandpa, your grandparents.
Number 4, aunt and uncle.
Number 5, cousins, the children of your aunt or uncle.
Number 6, only child. No brothers, no sisters.
Great! Do you remember all of them?
Say them out loud. It helps a lot.
Okay, ready for more? Let's keep going.
Now, let's talk about something a little different.
What's that?
What about families that look different? Modern families.
Oh yes, good point. Families come in all shapes.
For example, some people have a stepfather or stepmother.
That means your parent got married again to a new person.
And if that new person has kids, they are your stepbrothers or stepsisters.
My friend Anna has a stepmom. She says her stepmom is very kind.
That is sweet. Family is about love, not just blood.
Exactly. And some people are raised by their grandparents.
Or by an aunt or uncle. Families are different everywhere.
And all of them are real families.
Now, let's talk about something fun. How do you describe your family?
Oh, good idea. Like what they look like or their personality?
Yes. For example, you can say, my sister is funny.
Or my dad is very hardworking.
My grandma is kind and patient.
My brother is really annoying.
That is honest, Alex.
Hey, Tom knows I love him, but he is annoying sometimes.
You can also say we are a close family.
Close means you spend a lot of time together. You are connected.
We are very close. I say this about my family all the time.
My family is close too. We have dinner together every Sunday.
That is so lovely. Sunday dinners are special. Okay, time for a role play. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. Let's act out a real situation.
Imagine you meet someone new at school, at work, anywhere.
And they ask you about your family. What do you say?
Let's show you. I will be the new person. Alex, you are introducing yourself.
Okay, ready.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you too.
So, Alex, do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a medium-sized family. There are 5 of us.
Oh, nice. Tell me about them.
Well, I have my mom and my dad, and I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Are you close with your brother?
Yes, very close. He is older than me. He is 30.
And what is he like?
He is funny and very tall. I am a little jealous of his height.
That is so cute. What about your parents?
My mom is very kind. My dad is very hardworking. They are both teachers.
Wow, a family of teachers. Do you want to be a teacher too?
No, I talk too much.
I think you would be a great teacher.
And scene.
Great job, Alex. See how natural that was?
You just need a few key words, and you can talk about your family.
Do you have a big family? That is a great question to ask someone.
And what is your family like? Another good one.
Try using these in real life this week.
Okay, time for my bonus tip. This is just for you.
Alex always has great tips. Listen carefully.
So, my tip is this. Make a family photo album in English.
Oh, I love this idea. Tell us more.
Take your real family photos or use old ones. Write the names under each photo.
In English.
Yes, right. This is my mother, Rosa. She is kind and funny.
And this is my cousin, David. He is 15 years old.
Every day, look at the photos. Read the sentences out loud.
This builds your vocabulary fast because it is personal.
You already know these people, so the words stick better in your brain.
Your brain loves things that are personal to you.
Trust me, I tried this. It really works.
Wonderful tip, Alex. Thank you. Okay, everyone, we are at the end of today's episode.
Wow, that went fast.
Let's do a quick summary. What did we learn today?
We learned words for family members: mother, father, siblings, grandparents.
We learned how to describe family: close, funny, hardworking, kind.
We did a role play, and now you can introduce your family in English.
You are doing so well. Keep practicing every day, even just 5 minutes.
Small steps, big progress. That is our motto here.
Now, we have a question for you. In the comments below,
Tell us about one person in your family.
for example, my sister's name is Sana. She is funny and smart.
Or, my grandfather is 80 years old. He tells great stories.
We love reading your comments. We read every single one.
Seriously, we do.
And if you liked this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
It takes 1 second and it helps our channel so much.
Share this video with a friend who is learning English.
And if you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for?
Subscribe now. We have a new episode every week.
We will see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep learning, keep smiling. You've got this.